Hey Chalkers, it's July, which means it's time for Club Couture. We have the sweetest shipment for you this month. It will have you craving a picnic in the park on a warm July day. This month's shipment comes with everything you see here: the exclusive Bowl of Cherries transfer and 3 paste singles in the colors Candy Apple, Cadet, and Ocean Mist. Let's jump in. I pulled all the supplies I need. I've got a Chalk Couture door tag, a couple of squeegees, and my fuzzing cloth, so let's do this. The first thing I'm going to do is fuzz my transfer. New transfers are pretty sticky, so I'm removing the backer and pressing it down on my fuzzing cloth. This will pick up some lint and gentle the adhesive a little bit. Now, let's center it up on my board and smooth it out so there are no bubbles or wrinkles. Perfect! The next step is to prep my paste. Starting with Cadet, I'm going to knead the packet to make sure it's well mixed. Then cut it open and squeeze it into the tray. Then repeat those steps with Candy Apple and Ocean Mist. Let's get chalking. I'm using one of my mini squeegees to load up some Cadet paste, and I'm going to use it to chalk the words. I'm just applying a thin layer of paste across my screen and removing any excess so I have a nice, smooth application. I'm being careful not to chalk anything besides the words so the rest of the design can be done in the other colors. Alright, let's move on. Using my other mini squeegee, I'm going to chalk the cute little cherries and Candy Apple. For the final paste application, I'm using the straight edge of my multi-tool to chalk the water droplets in Ocean Mist. Once that's all covered, it's time for the reveal. Let's peel this transfer off. Guys, this piece is so cute. It's totally giving me all the summer picnic vibes. Life just got a whole lot sweeter with this month's Club Couture. Happy chalking!